Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my another series of LeetCode problem solving. This is a blind curated list of 75 problems that somebody has accumulated. What this list basically has is all the interview questions that you'd be asked if you attend an interview. There's nobody vouching for this list, but this is a very popular list, so I thought I'll quickly solve all the problems in this list. So the first one that I would solve, which is the most easiest one, is the two-sum problem. So this is the two-sum problem. So what it basically is you're given an array of elements and a target value. You need to find exactly two elements in that list which add up to that value. So if this is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9. So I need to return the index of 0 and 1. That is the problem. So what they basically have explained here is there is only exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. So you should not be using the same element twice, and there is only exactly one solution in the problem, and you need to find those two elements which add up to the target value. So this is a simple solution that I put in here. What I basically did is this function takes in the integer array, which is this one, and the target value, which is 9. So initially, so first what I did is I initialized a map. This is the buffer which holds the second element until I find the second element. I'm storing all the values so that I remember what I've actually visited and the position of it. So the first step is to loop through the elements. And then here the second element is the target minus the current element. So basically when I'm looping through this, if my value is, if my current element is 2, my second element that I need to find is target, which is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. So the second element here is 7. So I need to find 7 in my map. So since my map is empty right now and I have not put any elements in it, so this is not going to go through, and it's going to go into this step wherein it's going to say map put 7 at map put 2 in my 0th position. Because I don't have anything in my map, it will go into the next iteration, which is now I is equal to 1, and here my second element here is going to be 9 minus 7, because now I'm in the second position. So 9 minus 7 is 2. So now I go back into the map to identify if I have my second element. I did have, because in the previous iteration I did put 2. So now my map contains my second element, and then now I'm going to return my second element, which is the first position, and 0, which is so here I'm returning the second element which I have saved, that is 2, that is 0 comma 1. So this is how I'm returning it back, and then the loop breaks off. So what it basically does is, if you have to scan through the element and see if you found a matching thing in your buffer. If you did, then return those two. If not, continue putting the elements into your buffer. If you didn't find any solution in this problem, then you're going to return no solution as an illegal argument exception. So I'm going to run this code and submit. So it's 1 millisecond faster than most of the solutions. So that is a most simplest solution for two-sum problem. Thank you so much.